Guys, tingnan nyo naman guys. Nandito tayo ngayon. See? Building Damak. This is my partner. My co-worker. This is Mekus Mekus. You know Mekus Mekus, bro? You know? What is Mekus Mekus? You know Mekus Mekus?
What is it? Your
Ah?
language?
No, Indian people in the Philippines called Mekus Mekus. Mixing.
Mixing.
Yeah. Guys, ito yung mga yate ko. Ayan, oh. Ay, kaganda naman. Kaganda naman ng ating mga yate. Ayan, guys. Nandito tayo sa Dubai Marina. Not allowed to go there, no? Inside? Not allowed? See, mga kabayan, no? Mga kabayan ng mga nag-handle ng yate. This is Dubai Marina. See? Yeah. Habang break time, ito tayo. If we pay, Boro.
Huh?
If we pay,
Can pay go.
allowed to go there.
Yeah. Buy ticket go.
Ah, ticket. Sige. Napakaganda dito. Yun nga lang, napakamahal. Ayan. Where's the logo of Dubai, Dubai Marina? Ah, this one. Tayo guys. Tutur ko kayo dito sa Dubai Marina. Ayan. Ito yan, Dubai Marina. Ito yung makikita nyo dito. Tapos libre tubig. Ayan. Ayan yung mga yate natin. Dito yung mga turista ng Dubai gumagala. Yung mga puti. Ayan. Ito sila. Ang kita mo mga may handle na mga yate. Mga kabayan. See, oh. Sino kayo mga nakatira dyan, no? Ito guys, oh. Only this area, bro.
Have more area, but have more area. This one marina only.
This one, the whole marina, only this side.
Other side has marina mall.
How can you say how are you in India?
कैसे है भाई?
हाँ?
कैसे है भाई?
कैसे है भाई?
अच्छा है.
अच्छे.
ठीक है.
ठीक है.
खाना खाया?
कल गया. Same, how are you?
How are you?
This one guy looking for girlfriend. This is my friend. Shuhada. Not looking girlfriend? No, this one is Islam. Haram. Already married. How many your wife, bro? How many your wife? How many? Your
One wife, no?
one only?
How many wives? Maybe?
Ah, you have one only Kasi ito yung mga bata dito sa ano. Pag-alaga-alalag sila. Ayan. Picture. Dapat tayong ano eh. Si the photographer baby. The photographer is baby. Oh, see the uniform same.
Hey!
Same uniform no.
Come.
Maybe kaya Daryl inside no.
Daryl? Call Daryl. Where are you going, Daryl?
Guys, eto tayo guys. Hanap tayo ng ibang area guys. Nandun yung mga yate. Hintay tayo nang pwede tayo makapasok. Alam mo naman, wala tayong budget. Kailangan natin makapasok sa libre guys. Ayun. Kailan kaya tayo magkakaganto? Ayan Tapos magyati tayo going to Luzon to Mindanao. Ayan napakayahay bye. Bye, ayan bye. Mga tao dito bye. Only nighttime colorful hill no?
Very nice.
Very nice view.
No, you coming night time?
Nighttime.
Maybe you are white, but how much you can check? Maybe how much?
How much? Maybe 200 dirham no? Ticket? 250 like that.
250 no?
You can go ride.
Maybe taking maybe.
Or eating only inside the yacht.
Maybe somebody is asking, maybe you are buy ticket. People telling you are buy, you are buy.
Which one? The guy there?
There somebody.
Galing
So
mo.
you bring your car to there. This guy putting parking.
See, parking
You bring your car to parking.
See, nice
The guy will telling how you going to people there parking.
Captain Jack. This one Captain Jack. Yeah, that one. You can come here, Captain Jack. Captain Jack. Ayan guys, tama na guys. Sobra na. Which one?
Ferrari car.
No, not a Ferrari, Lamborghini. Yeah. These two guy, no? That guy too much money. Again, no? Again. Parking again.
Again parking.
Yeah.
Tell to this guy, you go outside, you go park.
Si reverse, Tingnan nyo guys kung paano sila mag-parking ng kanilang yate guys. Kaya ko yan Kaya ko mag-parking yan. Balsa nga lang dati, balsa. Kasi baha. Let's go. Guys, ayan ganyan sila mag-parking ng yate nila. Marunong din naman kami mag-park dati nga balsa nga lang pag may baha. Bro, also we have a yate in the Philippines. Yeah, but made in banana.
Banana?
Yeah, made in banana, floating. If typhoon come, we use that yacht, but made in banana.
Banana.
Yeah. Made in banana. balsa. See guys, napakaganda dito. Pero mas maganda dito pag gabi po. See, mga parachute to. Parachute. Where there oh. Kita nyo ba guys? Ay, ganda ng camera ko. Layo niyan pero kita pa rin oh. Uy, pababa na si tropa. Pababa na si tropa sa yate. You know? Layo niyan pero kita talaga oh. Oh, kita oh. Landing. Ayan, tama na guys. Bye-bye na guys. Bye-bye guys. How to say bye-bye, bro? How to say bye-bye? In Indian.
Indian.
Yeah.
अच्छा ठीक है रख दो हम जाएंगे
Bye-bye guys.